From the floor of the CME Group, this is Danny Riley on today's Cash Close. Boy, what a week. The name of this video is Jobs Friday was so quiet, the Algos couldn't even eat. The high of the day in the S&P came in at 203.010 midday. The low came in at 202.21 even recently. And last, we're 202.26 even. We're down 2 handles on the day. Total volume, this is crazy stuff. We had 280,000 minis traded in Globex, and we've got a total of 1.1 million minis traded. Now, I've been talking to you guys about this all week about how the volumes have been going lower, and obviously today was one of the biggest lower volume days that we've seen in weeks. MOC, the MIM started out showing 140 million to sell, flip-flopped, and the actual MOC came out by 330 million. On Monday, we've got a very light economic schedule. We've got a 3-year note auction, and we've got Eric Rosengren from the Fed speaking, and then Tuesday, the exchange is closed for Veterans Day. Now look, I try to point this out, and I've been trying to point this out also, in addition to my volume thing, is that the stopometer, that's my own version of when the stops get too built up in one direction, is pointing to the downside. Now, it's an incredible thing that when the S&P started going lower today, it couldn't knock out those downside stops. And then when the S&P started going back up, it couldn't take out the upside stops. And what that tells me is, in all honesty, the volume was so low, just like the title of the video, the Algos couldn't eat. Now look, next week I said I thought we'd get a lower close in today. It didn't end up exactly the way I thought it would. But I was thinking that next week we start to go down a little bit. And then we look for the Pitbull's Thursday, Friday low going into the week before the November expiration. That said, you guys, I am very concerned about what's going on here on the upside. As I quoted out yesterday in the video that, the 2.5 to 3 million minis a day, down to 1.1 million a day, what's happening with that? I think the markets are just what I said on the Twitter. They're up too high to buy, and they're just too damn firm to sell. We're going to leave it like that. Have a great weekend, everybody, and we'll see you on Monday.